Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to HOTWAV Pad 8. Begin by going into Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to tap on the same options on both devices. I will start with HotWave. Tap on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this pop-up about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of OPPO. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of HotWave. Also on OPPO, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can select multiple files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. Then pick your files. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now you need to decide which connection way is better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on HotWave. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your HotWave's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Last but not least, select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!